Welcome to JRY TV. When will the people of hell be put in the hell? At noon. How long was Hazrat Yusuf, peace be upon him, in prison? 12 years. Which was the nation to which the most prophets came? The nation of Israel. Who will be cast into hell first? Kabil, son of Adam alayhi salam. How many languages did Hazrat Yusuf, peace be upon him, know? 72 languages. With whom was the first marriage of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him? Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her. Which prophet's tongue was lame? Hazrat Musa, peace be upon him. What is the name of the first sky? Raki. Do you know what animal eats coal? Ostrich. Which prophet was the first to do kuli? Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. Which prophet first made rupees from silver? Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe JRY TV and like the video, share with friend and subscribe it. Thank you.